BRUVS, a modern approach to marine surveying.
Join us on a research cruise where we use a unique surveying technique to see what life is like 20 metres deep.
It's 7 a.m. Research scientists are getting on the coach for a busy day. Some are more excited than others.
We are here in Lyme Regis. We're heading out to 2 points today. First to the Bay wreckage, which sunk in World War I, to see if we can capture any videos of fish there before heading to our control point for comparison. Once we arrived, we unloaded all of our kit and carried it down to the harbour before boarding the boat.
Today we're going to be using BRUVS. BRUVS stand for Baited Remote Underwater Video System, and we're going to be dropping them off at 2 sites, a Vegetano and a reference site, and we're going to compare the species diversity between the two.
So we've just left Lyme Bay. We're on our boat now to Vegetano for our first drop. We're very excited with our BRUVS cameras, got our sardines all loaded, ready to attract all the local species. We're excited, let's do it.
Here we are placing the BRUVS into position. It's made from cutting-edge carbon fibre, which makes it easy to deploy to the ocean floor.
So the BRUVS are called stereo BRUVS. They've got 2 GoPros on them that both angle in towards the bait box. They get calibrated before we ever deploy them in the water, and then we set up a calibration file that we can use in a software called Event Measure to calculate the length of the fish. With the difference in position in the 2 frames, the software can calculate how big the object is when we tell it the head and tail points, and that it just gives us the chance to do so much more analysis than we'd get just with counting numbers. We can do like distributions of population sizes, so whether we've got an area with a lot of juveniles or a lot of adults or a good mix, it just helps us get a much better impression of the population structure in the area we're surveying.
A paper from the journal Molecular Ecology Resources in 2020 emphasised how BRUVS often misses out herbivores and small cryptid species due to the use of bait. Environmental DNA from water and sediment samples could be used in combination with BRUVS to make the data more representative. So the pros of BRUVS is that they are able to sample depths beyond the limits of scuba diving. They are highly efficient and cost effective and can be used to measure the individual length of fish.
Up here! BRUVS can show bias, however. For example, today we're using sardines as our bait, which may only attract certain species. Because of the poor weather today, we've had to use lights on our BRUVS, which can create more bias, because some fish really like the light and will come towards it, whereas in others will try and stay away.
Before we go, let's see some amazing footage the BRUVS has captured. No, not that footage. This footage of a conger eel. Alright, bruv.